16, WWE 15. In this video I will be unboxing WWE Series 17 Zack Ryder. And so here's the figure right here. I will be opening it in a little bit, but here's all the other wrestling figures in Series 17. And there's The Miz, Mark Henry, Alex Riley, Rey Mysterio, and there's Zack Ryder, which is this one, and then Dolph Ziggler. Yeah, let's get to opening this. Get out the package here. Okay, so here it is. So here, this one does not have the headband on it, like what he wears, but it does have elbow pads. You can take them on and off. It has knee pads. Like I said, the elbow pads. Has his logo. It says Ryder moves. Even has his hair's a little spiky. So that's my unboxing of the WWE Series 17 Zack Ryder. Thank you for watching. Bye.